Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a avocado smoothie recipe for you. So here's everything that you're gonna need: avocados, bananas. I do the vanilla yogurt, some oats, mixed vegetables, and we're gonna try this aloe vera. So consistency is a thing when making smoothies. So I call all of my smoothies are like the 4-cup smoothies. And 4 cups just basically means that we're filling up the smoothie into this cup, throwing it inside of our Vitamix, and then that's how we're gonna do our smoothies so that they could just be consistent over time. All right, so the recipe's on the bottom in the description. So if you wanna follow along, or if you just wanna watch me how I'm gonna make the smoothie, I'm gonna do it like this. All right, so we're gonna start with the, okay, total side note, I think that frozen fruit is the best to make smoothies. All right, so here we go. We're gonna put in what the avocados were. It's like a half a cup, right? So it should be kind of creamy. And then kind of the same thing for the bananas. So we should be like at the 2 cups after this. That's kind of a lot. Oh no, that's all right. That's kind of where we are. All right, now I'm gonna break the yogurt. Kind of throw that inside there too. This is what the aloe vera looks like. I thought this is kind of cool. Just what aloe vera looks like. So it's a couple pieces of that. Kind of throw that in my cup. And then I'm gonna put the vegetables in first. This isn't working. Okay. That's like a half a cup. You see, kind of like we're pushing this. I'm gonna just push it all the way. Take that off, and then we're gonna tap in. Oh. All right, so that's the 4-cup smoothie, all the ingredients. And then so how much I like mine, I like to drink my smoothies. Like I don't wanna like chew it or do the bowl things. So. All right, so check this out. Let's drop this in here. Now, if you follow along like me, I fill mine up to the 1,000. Give me like a nice good liter in there. $7.50. All right, so my 1,000. Take it back over to the way up. All right, now, when you got a good Vitamix or blender or whatever, you don't got to worry about, chopping it up. You could just kind of do this thing. Boom. That's the avocado smoothie.